The previous owners came to us and they had decided that it was time for them to retire, and they offered us the opportunity to purchase the company. We were dealing with 2 or 3 different rental companies. At the time, we thought that we were going to have to slowly purchase, and found out about leasing options at Coast Counties. The 579 model has just turned out to be the perfect model for what we do. Turning radius, visibility, and some of the wineries that we are in and out of on a regular basis are tight access. The full maintenance leases were perfect for our situation. It allowed us to retain our mechanic, and he maintains the trucks that we still own, and the rest of the equipment we basically don't have to worry about.
We have transitioned from big block engines to the PACCAR MX-13. That helped us save weight. That meant more product delivered in the tankers.
The equipment that you have spec'd out for us, we've seen our costs drop significantly. Fuel costs with the new packages, typically we're getting about 2 miles to the gallon more per truck. Averaged out over the year, that's about $7,000 per unit. So that in itself is huge.
And we have drivers that come in and go, oh my gosh, I love the safety features. It's amazing. They just can't get over it. It's almost like it's their office. It makes them happier and hopefully retain drivers because they're driving nice equipment.
It is a true partnership. It takes a lot off our shoulders. And if we don't succeed, PacLease doesn't succeed. And we really feel in dealing with PacLease that you have our best interest at heart.